Hi, my name is Nishant.
Hi, my name is Jonas.
I'm Sherry B.
And we are students of Master of Business ERPS in Victoria University, Sydney. A few months back, we had an assignment project for executive and mobile computing, for which we had to develop a mobile business application, and we based that application on a top event management company in Sydney. And now the company has asked us to develop the app with full functionality and deliver it to them.
So basically, we had like two main motivations. One coming from Victoria University, where our professor was challenging us to develop this mobile app, but in a way that we can like take experience or like try to make money. Where he gave us some example of people who created app in the past, like they are successful in their career. So the first motivation came from uni, from our professor. And the second one came from my workplace, where we have this process where you need to work like manually in a paper and then do face this issue.
Apart from the knowledge that we gain from the unit that requires to develop the app, which is executive and mobile computing, we also like able to apply and utilize the knowledge we gain from IT project management unit, which was taught by Dr. Bernard Wong. Okay, and we were able to apply it when we did the presentation to client, and they were like really happy and contented with what we presented. They were surprised that we presented the information too detailed. Like we gave them the project charter, project plan, milestones, deliverables for the project, and also like the timeline. We were able to give them that, and also we were able to give them like the wireframing, and also we provided them prints out of what we presented, and also we gave them and what they expect with the application in the future.
Actually, in the beginning, it was kind of a challenge. Like we came from different backgrounds with different work experiences, and we had issues working with each other. Like, how are we gonna manage our responsibilities? Like there were different expectations between us, and also about the functionalities we need to put into app. Like we had disagreements in that too. But as we moved further, we started getting excited about it's quite cool to work with people from different backgrounds, with cultures different. Like we are from 3 different countries.
So the main lesson learned in this project that we need to work close to the professor in order to know what he expects from us, and then also you need to work close to the client, so you're gonna know what he expects from you as well, some details, because sometimes you can try to understand what they want, but they're gonna explain to you what they really want from you, so we can achieve the goal that they expect from you. Our expectation for this project, maybe you can apply for this mobile application to the other companies who work in the same field. We have this same company in Melbourne, so maybe in the future we are trying to apply for the same mobile application to offer to other companies.
One of the challenges that we had is going beyond their expectation, because initially the main goal was to deliver a prototype of the app that has 2 or 3 working features, but we go beyond that to satisfy the client. So apart from satisfying the requirement of the unit, we have to satisfy the client, and they want a full working prototype, so we have to deliver that.
Yeah, another challenge was when our friends or family was saying to us, they were saying to us like, why you guys working for free? So for me it was like a big challenge when your friends or family they are saying to you, why are you doing that? Like it's not necessary. So as Sherry said before, like the requirement of the uni was just create like 3 screens of one mobile app, but we want to do more than that. So one of the challenge was like face like these comments from our family, friends, say, why you guys doing that for free? So for me, it was a big challenge.
Yeah, the major challenge was like Seri said that the amount of hard work we had to put in, like given the time management issues between our university assignments, work, personal life. So we had to spend many sleepless nights working into this project. Yeah, and that was the major challenge, I think.
I think in my case, like the driver for me was the opportunity. So it's like we don't have many companies who are open to you to implement one project in this size. So this is like it's a huge company that we are working, like it's an international company in Sydney, and then this is like a huge project, implementation of one mobile application. So it's not a simple project, it's not a simple process. So this challenge like can like help us in our professional life. So for me, my main driver was taking this opportunity from one international company to help them to implement a huge project like our mobile app.
For self-satisfaction, I think like we want to know that we did this, like we were able to deliver it successfully, and we satisfied our client, and so like it will be like achieving your main goal. Yeah.
For me, the driver was like for the course we are studying, the ERPS, we have units like ERP implementation, project management, and with this project we were able to implement that knowledge we gained from these units into the practical case scenario. And like this, I'm hoping that this will help us to move forward in our career, gaining the practical knowledge of whatever theoretical knowledge we gained during our study. So that was the motivational driver for me.
We had like a challenge. It was a challenge for us to work as a group from different background, but we learned the value of teamwork. Okay, and each of us has to play our role in the team, but it doesn't stop there. So, for example, we have our own parts to play in the team, but if, for example, one of us is not able to deliver it, the other person who is like knowledgeable of the task can cover up for him. And also we avoid blaming each other for the mistakes. Instead, we make it as a lesson and we learn from that mistake, okay, and avoid doing the same mistake in the future. And also we avoid conflict by communicating constantly, and also we give each other like the benefit of the doubt, okay, and we don't like whenever there are changes or new ideas that come up, we share them, and also we make sure that we listen to any ideas that one has to say, and also we respect each other, so that way we were able to work as a group or as a team harmoniously. And I don't think we had that conflict. Yeah, no heavy dramas in our team, so it was a good team to work with. It was, yeah.
Another key lesson learned was the utilization of university resources. Like for example, we used lynda.com, which was provided by our university. And in that website we saw videos on Excel.com, and we learned about how to design the applications.
I'd like to say thank you for our professor who motivated us in the beginning to work hard and then go beyond what expect from us. So the Dr. Ifani, like the Bernard as well, like he gave us the knowledge about IT project management. And also Ian, I would say that he's my lifesaver. Like all the time he helped me out with assignments and everything, and like our clients as well to give us this opportunity to work on it all the time. Like they gave us feedback and they point out like how can we improve and like how can you make better things. So I just would like to say thank you to everyone.